Hey, to use the app lock and set passwords on your applications on the POCO X6 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the settings. From here, you will have to scroll down and navigate into the apps. So click on it, and then from here, you can select app lock. It's at the bottom of the list. And then we have to click on the turn on, and we'll have to set the app lock privacy password. So you can actually use the same password as your screen lock, but if you want to change, for example, from the pattern, click change and you can set PIN or, for example, the classic password. But in my case, I'm gonna use the simple pattern. We have to use at least 4 dots, and then we have to confirm with the same pattern. Now we have to click next, and from here we are able to add our Xiaomi account if we forgot this password. So with the Xiaomi account, we'll be able to actually reset this password. So we can decide if you want to do this or not. In my case, I'm gonna skip because that's a very simple password and I'm not gonna forget it. Then we have to click not now if we choose this function. And from here, there's like some apps that are automatically set to the app lock, but in my case, I'm gonna unselect them and I have to click to use app lock. And now I want to set the specific apps. So in my case, I want to set password for the YouTube. I want to do this also for the gallery and maybe for the sound recorder. And now when we click on this icon in the right upper corner, as you can see, we can find the lock settings. So you will get this app lock when you lock your device by using the power button. But you can also change it, for example, when device is locked or after exiting app, or when device is locked or 1 minute after exiting app. I can recommend you to set this function after exiting application. You can also hide notifications from these apps. That's also I can recommend you to turn on. And here we can also use other screen lock methods, like you set the password with the pattern in my case, but still you can use the fingerprint or face unlock to access apps with the password. From here also we can change the password that you set. And now if I want to enter, for example, the sound recorder, take a look. I'm opening, and from here I have to input my password. So I can click to enter the password, this one, or I can also use my fingerprint sensor. Now let's try it on the YouTube, for example. As you can see, right now I have to enter this password to open this application. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.